Waking up to a brand new light. Walking down the street feeling alright.
This is the best Nykaa haul I've ever done, or I've just wasted my money. There is no in between. Hi guys, I'm Prashasti. Welcome back. We're doing a Nykaa haul and this is probably going to be the best Nykaa haul of my channel I've ever done. I've done few Nykaa haul videos in the past as well. I'll add those videos in the card section. You guys can check them out. Let's start with products. I clearly have attachment issues because I keep going back. So number one is this primer by Rene. So if I'm reordering a primer, just know it survived humidity, bad days, oily skin, and you name it. It genuinely blurs without feeling like plastic, which is rare. इसको लगाने के बाद my foundation just blends in so beautifully. वो patches दिखता ही नहीं है. This is genuinely a primer जो बहुत easily blend हो जाता है. And the best part is कि under budget भी है. So you guys must try this one. पूरे वीडियो में से if you want to buy one thing, this is gonna be it. Buy this lipstick. I am head over heels in love with this lipstick. This is Lip Whip की lipstick in the shade called Buns. First of all, the packaging is just so chic. I'm actually wearing the lipstick right now. कोई भी occasion हो, this lipstick does the job. I have to say this is going to be my wedding lipstick. Okay, now let's just move on to the hair care category. So the first thing which I have to show you in the hair care category has to be the famous trendy Indie Wild का Chumpy hair oil. I've been eyeing on this for a while now and I have to say this is a really good oil. मैंने इसको 2 से 3 बार अभी तक यूज़ किया है. So this is very lightweight. This is more like a herbal oil that focuses on your scalp nourishment than let's say very heavy oiling. I recently used it 2-3 times and ना रात को वो सोते टाइम वो heavy oil लगाने वाली feeling नहीं आती. There is no chip in this oil. That is the best part. It is not greasy at all. It has a very mild fragrance which also calms your mind in a way. मतलब मुझे तो बहुत calming लगता है honestly. So yeah, you guys can try this out as well. And like the formula of this oil feels a little more potent to me compared to other oils. So yes, I'm very happy to buy this actually. Okay, next up is this Brilliance Rosemary Hair Oil Shots. So ये ना मैंने एक YouTube के वो ads नहीं आते skip ads वाले, मैंने उसके अंदर देखा था. So I have to take a moment and appreciate the packaging of it. It comes in these little rosemary bottle के shots which I am in love with honestly. It is so functional, so applicable. So the packaging itself says that you have to apply it every alternative day to get the best results. So it has 20% rosemary, 10% olives and 46% coconut, and it has 100% natural ingredients. There's no added water or chemicals or no preservatives. It's supposed to boost your hair growth. I'll use it myself and then I can let you know कि ये कितना effective है. This retails for $7.95. I'm not sure if this is like worth it or not because मैंने कभी use नहीं किया है. So I'm excited for this and I will let you know once I use it. Next up are these shampoos. Now I have been a sucker of good shampoos. I keep looking on Nykaa or Amazon for good shampoos and I came around these ones. So these are by the famous brand Bare Anatomy. Now I really wanted to try these ones because I was running out of my shampoo. So I would say these are a little premium than your regular drugstore shampoos. I've used this one quite a few times and I've genuinely felt a difference in my hair. This is completely non-sponsored and ये वाले में ना the best part is that ये वाला भी मैंने 1-2 बार use किया है, though although it has a very weird smell. इसमें वो smell नहीं है. This is completely the opposite. When you use this particular pink wala shampoo, I can guarantee you this will give you like a very high-end salon wala feeling. This smells so luxe and this is basically meant for smoothness. So it improves your smoothness by 37% and this one is particularly meant for hair fall. So obviously both variants have respective properties. So it depends on which variant are you choosing. Both are equally good in terms of application, but I personally love this one. So up next is body care and I want to start off with this scrub which is so common on the internet. Everybody has been using it. So मैंने भी पहले use किया हुआ है. It's in the variant brown sugar and coconut butter. It smells like a bakery and I'll have to share one thing with you. आज सुबह मैं नहा रही थी and ये गलती से गिर गया and आधा पूरा floor पे गिर गया and I was just so sad about it. But this, oh my god, wow, this smells like coconut हल्का सा आपका ब्राउन शुगर आपने मिला दिया हो, absolutely smells divine. Your bathroom is gonna smell like heaven. I'm not even kidding. I'm not remembering the exact name, but I've used rice वाला variant जिसका ब्लू कलर का ढक्कन नहीं होता. I've used that one as well. Equally good. The best part is इसको आप daily use कर सकते हो. Someone like me who has very dry skin, ये बिल्कुल भी skin को dry out नहीं करता, and it tends to leave a softer effect after the first wash itself. I'm excited to use other variants as well. Next up is this body butter by Plum Body Loving. This is in the range Caramello wala flavor. This body butter is in the range Vanilla Caramello, and so I've personally never used body butters before. I've used their moisturizer, I've used their hand cream, and it smells like, again, you're eating a cupcake, a vanilla cupcake, I would say. And so this is specifically designed for deeper moisturization. The texture is obviously slightly heavy, so it's better for nighttime use, or somebody who has a really dry skin, someone like me obviously. If you like these kind of smells, this is definitely for you. They have a lot more variants in this. I got this in sale for around 400, I think 400, 450. Originally the price is 550. So yeah, really good product. So at this point, Bath and Body Works should really sponsor me. I have so many of their perfumes, their mist, their body shower, their candles, and now their hand cream. This is in the variant called Champagne Toast. I love its fragrance. I also have its candle. So talking about the cream, this is just, you'll feel rich. Honestly, all your friends would want to grab this. It absorbs really well in your skin, and it gives you a decent moisture. Like 1-2 घंटे तक आपको ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा वापस से reapply करने का. I wish I could make you smell this cream through the camera, but this is just such a nice cream, and I want to apply it right now. It's not at all greasy, I would say. एकदम से, you see, it just blended so nicely in my skin. I love this, and they have so many variants in this cream. I personally love Champagne Toast, so yeah, love it. Yes, again, it is Bath and Body Works, and I am not even guilty of buying these. These are just so good. So first of all, Bath and Body Works ka na, it is not expensive. Like, it is not massively expensive, or it is not something जो बहुत ही सस्ता. So it's like mid range में आता है ये. So this is a body mist named Gorgeous, and this is in Gingham का range. They also have a blue one. I use that. I love that, by the way. Smells girly, floral, feminine. It smells all grace, and I love it. I would say daytime का perfume है, and it's not something which will last you for a long time. Yes, that's a drawback for body mist, but again, the fragrances and the pricing are just too good that I had to buy this. आजकल शार के बाद I apply this every single time, and also these are very nice gifting options also. So now let's move on to makeup. I don't have a lot of things in makeup, to be honest. Let's start with this thing right here. So I'll tell you a backstory behind this product. So whenever I used to do my makeup ना, मेरे dark circles मतलब जाते ही नहीं थे. मतलब वो black spot आपको दिखता ही था कैमरे में. So I was told by a friend that you start applying orange concealer, and then उसके ऊपर से concealer लगाना, and the dark circles will just go away. And at first I was like, orange concealer? Genuinely I had no clue about this. Imagine. This is such a common thing, honestly. But then I got this one. This is from the brand called Insight, and this is such a good formula. First of all, I just take a little bit of this and I like apply it on my eye, and this just, and उसके ऊपर फिर मैं concealer लगाती हूँ, and honestly एकदम cover कर देता है. Such a good product. इतना creamy है, so एकदम भी stick नहीं होता है. It doesn't leave that ugly patch on your skin, yeah, and liquid formulation hai, so this just blends very nicely as well. It beautifully covers those dark circles, and kabhi kabhi meko to redness bhi ho jata hai skin pe, so it also helps me cover that. And काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है. मुझे स्टार्टिंग में लगा था कि यार मैं यूज़ कर भी पाऊँगी या नहीं, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इतना सा क्वांटिटी लगता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई मेड श्योर कि मैं बहुत महंगा ना लूँ. ओवरऑल अ वेरी नाइस प्रोडक्ट फॉर योर अंडर आई एरिया एंड फॉर योर डार्क स्पॉट. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव एन आई शैडो पैलेट फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कॉल्ड Glam 21. I really like the palette, and the price I paid for it was very good. It was only for rupees 321. I'm getting almost 10 to 11 shades. It has neutral pinks, it has neutral browns, it has shimmery pinks. Comes with a nice brush. I'm actually wearing this shade right now. Take some and you just dust the extra, and you just apply it on your eyelids, and It is just such a pretty shade. The pigmentation for this price, I was shook. It is so good. It builds up with layering, and that's what I love the most about it. Next up is again a very viral product which everybody has been talking about. It is a very lightweight water gel texture that spreads easily on your lip and your cheek, and it just gives you such a natural flush as if आपने मेकअप कर ही नहीं रखा हो. Slightly blurred effect देता है rather than staining your lips like a lipstick. So that is the best part. It looks so natural, like a no makeup look के अंदर ये best tint होने वाला है. I think I've been using this a lot as my blush. It's important that you blend it fast. बहुत ही नया चीज़ है in my makeup, and I'm looking forward to use it more. So you can try your hands on this one as well. I also got eye patches this time. I've never tried them before. This is from the brand called Swiss Beauty. बहुत ही famous brand है, affordable famous brand है, and honestly eye patches लेने का सिर्फ पर्पस यही था कि I wanted to give them a shot. I see them all the time on Pinterest, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. So मेरे को बहुत excitement था इसको यूज़ करने का. I got them in coffee flavor. I don't know how they perform, but एक वो feeling होती है ना eye patches लगाने की. Let's say when I'm editing, they just feel so soothing, so relaxing. It's a feeling basically, it girl वाला जो feeling होता है. So I wanted to try those, and again very budget friendly because coffee is known to reduce the puffiness under your eye, which I tend to have a lot these days. Like, I don't know, they make me feel productive. Even if I'm doing nothing, it makes me feel like, I've just achieved a lot. Like, slightly dramatic. I like it. We've come to the end of this huge haul. I think honestly this was my best Nykaa haul. The products which I have purchased this time are genuinely so like application oriented. Makeup तो बहुत ही कम था. Most of them were hair care and body care only. I love exploring new categories and new launches. So if you guys know any other products apart from these, please comment करना section में. I would love to explore them. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. अगर मेरे videos अच्छे लगते हैं तो please hit that subscribe button. That will mean the world to me. Until then, take care and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.